viewers, happy Navratri to all our Karuna Toyota viewers, and thank you very much for supporting us in all the like and share of our all videos. Today I am Atul Sharma presenting you all new Urban Cruiser. Friends, before moving the explanation of all new Urban Cruiser, I want to tell you then why to buy or why to purchase Urban Cruiser instead of we have in the same segment we have other competitors also, but customers always has a mind then why to go with Urban Cruiser, why to purchase Urban Cruiser is that Toyota comes with all 3 years 1 lakh kilometer warranty. The differentiators why to purchase Urban Cruiser is, first point, Toyota comes with 3 years 1 lakh kilometer warranty. Toyota all over India has a 290 sales outlets, and we have service options, service centers 297 service centers we have. Toyota covered 237 cities in all over India, and with that we are going to give express maintenance of 60 minutes, 90 minutes and 120 minutes, all your periodical services. It's not like only 3 services, only free 3 services. Other competitors gives you express maintenance, but we gave you all periodical or your periodical services. Like whenever custom comes in for 10,000 kilometers, 20,000 kilometers, 30,000 kilometers, we'll give you all express maintenance. Toyota Urban Cruiser comes with 2 slate wedge cut design front grills with double chamber projector headlamps with fog lamps. It has manual transmission with auto transmission. Manual transmission will come with 3 variants, that is mid, high and premium. And this is the premium dual tone color, what we are saying, blue and black color. We have all Urban Cruiser comes with, you'll get 1500cc and 105 PS power. With this, you'll in safety, as Toyota don't compromise with the safety, you'll get dual airbags, ABS, CBD and brake assist across all variants. From basic variant to top end variant, you'll get all the safety features. It's common. And smart entry, auto AC, parking sensor, these are all common features across all variants. Let's see interior of the vehicle. Yes friends, now we are inside the car and I am going to really experience all new Toyota Urban Cruiser real test drive of the car. And before starting up, I'll just give you, show you the auto transmission, how it is, how it looks like. It's a dual battery setup, that is a smart hybrid system, and this is the auto transmission where it is clearly mentioned parking, reverse, neutral and driver position. If you want to get overtake, it's a reducing gear, and it's a lower gear, you can do it. Okay, so let's start the real experience of test drive. So before that we have to go with the safety. So yeah, why waste time, let's start driving. Yeah, as company said, Toyota said 105 PS. I can see it's very comfortable and it's a good power vehicle and very smooth to drive, very comfortable, and braking performance also good as it has ABS, EBD and brake assist, all the features from basic to top end variant. As you can see, easily I can drive, maneuver in all the city. It's very comfort to drive city. So friends, it has a good leg room where 3 people can comfortably sit. You can see the huge leg room, okay, knee room and leg room. I can sit comfortably whenever customer or family wants to go a long drive. It's a main concern in the car that all the competitors doesn't have this much of legroom or knee room, and people suffers. People tell us actually the main reason in the car is the family space. So keeping in mind, we have in Urban Cruiser huge space. You can see headroom and comfortably 3 people. You can see here, all 3 people can comfortably sit. Even see the huge space. With this, there is one more option is there. We can fold the seats like this, easily foldable seats, where 60-40 split seats, where we can adjust and we can keep the huge luggage. When we talk about luggage, we can see the boot space. Here you can see reverse camera with all 4 parking sensors, and this is the space, the total space of the car. And even if you have luggage, more luggage, you can fold the seat